In this video, we're breaking down how to tackle your home improvement projects without losing your mind or breaking the bank. So, first off, always plan ahead, like seriously map out what you need before you even pick up a hammer. Get all your materials in one trip because running back and forth wastes time and energy. Use quality tools that fit the job. Trust me, cheap gear just slows you down and can mess things up. Take your time, but don't drag it out. Setting a realistic schedule helps you stay on track without rushing. Prep your workspace by clearing clutter and protecting floors and furniture so you don't end up with extra mess or damage. If you're doing any electrical or plumbing work, know your limits and don't be afraid to call a pro. Keep safety gear handy, gloves, goggles, the whole 9 yards, because accidents suck and slow down progress big time. Finally, clean as you go. It keeps the area manageable and motivates you to keep pushing forward. One of the biggest mistakes I see is using low-quality tools because it just makes everything harder and can ruin your materials, so invest in decent gear. Another common slip-up is rushing through the project, which leads to sloppy work or even safety hazards, so pace yourself and get it right. And then there's not preparing your work area properly. If you don't clear or cover stuff around you, you're asking for damage and extra cleanup that drags the whole thing out. If you're looking for solid help connecting with reliable local contractors, or if you're a contractor yourself trying to find projects, bighomeprojects.com is where you want to be. They make hooking up homeowners with trusted pros super easy and help contractors get steady gigs without the usual hassle.